Hello and welcome. As you can see, I'm somewhere different today. I'm in Tenby. Just heading down to the harbour, which is down there. And that is the view at the moment. There is a little bit of cloud and it's spotting with rain, but I'm by the seaside. If I just zoom out a touch, there we go. So I'm going to head down here. And for the next day or two, I will be walking around Tenby and surrounding areas. As D to the R is at the seaside. So that is the path we've just walked down. There is a small beach there, which is called Harbour Beach. And if we walk round that way, that will lead us to one of the main beaches. And there's also a beach over there where there's a big rock. Now I've been told that, I don't know if it'll be tomorrow, but it will definitely be Tuesday, that we'll be taking a boat ride over to an island where there's a monastery and they make chocolate there. They're well renowned for it. So I will be going over there, doing a little bit of filming. So I've just double checked, and the island we're visiting is called the Culdy Island, and that will probably be Tuesday, as it is Sunday today, Bank Holiday Monday, so Tuesday would be our best bet. I love how all the buildings are different colours. It is absolutely wonderful. There's also castle walls. If I just show you this way. So we've got old castle walls here. That reminds me of Dudley Castle. And then there's another beach straight down there. So just come away from the castle, and this is the boat trip that we'll be taking to Culdy Island. There's quite a few boat trips, and then different signs, and over just up there there's a few more signs as well for different boat trips you can take. Just gonna head down and have a look around by the harbour. I did see a big monument up that way of a gentleman. As we walked down the hill over this way, over there on like a hill, there was a statue. As you can see, just over there, the sun is starting to break through the cloud and starting to illuminate some of the buildings.
Could it be jellyfish? And the sun obviously is dead.
Oh, let's have a quick look. You sure it's a jellyfish?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame, eh? There's two big jellyfish down there, unfortunately. Being washed ashore. is very peaceful and relaxing. It must be magnificent to be able to own one of those houses and just to wake up in the morning and have this as your view. Just walking into the town area. It is quite busy. A few nice little shops. We saw a nice little pub as well. We've got another pub here. Get away of the car first. So we've got another pub just there. Nice little gift shop just here. And there's a coffee and cakes ice cream shop just over there as well. This looks like a nice pub called Tenby House. It's quite nice in there. And then we've got Bay Tree Brasserie, Restaurant and Bar. And we're back. We've just come through that little passageway there. Had a little bit of food. And just back on the travels around the town. So there's quite a lot of the castle wall that I've not yet filmed. But it's quite nice. Nice car park over here. 5 Arches car park. Nearest to town centre. Just heading down some steps. Oh wow, you've got some benches over there as well. Look at this. That's quite nice. And you can head down the steps. Oh, this is beautiful. So you can carry on up that way, up there. There's a couple of benches just here. Okay. How nice is this? although they are a bit wet at the moment. We've had a bit of rain. Well, I say, this is really splendid. That is the island over there we're visiting on Tuesday, I think. And we've got another island over here. Once the tide's out, you can actually get to that island. Give you a closer look. We've made it to the sea. We've made it to the beach. Those are the stairs we've just climbed down. It's like climbing down Mount Everest. Didn't realise just how steep there was. I've left my mark on Tenby beach. Oh, on the something missing. There we go. That's my bad attempt at the hashtag. Now we're just gonna have a nice walk. Look at this, this is beautiful. So I'm just gonna take you by the water's edge, by the sea. I mean, we've got some seagulls here, as always at the seaside, waiting for someone with chips or a nice fresh donut. So just over there, looks like there's been some caves just filled in and blocked up, and there is also some wire meshing on top of the rock for safety as well. And look now, blue sky, all the cloud has dissipated. It is over that way and over that way, and it's a nice sunny day. Lovely for a nice walk on the beach. And you always feel better when you're by the sea, at the seaside. We've got two planes in the sky. I don't know if I can pick them up. There's one just up there, and then we have the second one just over there. Just walking along, and look how picturesque that looks just there. That's beautiful. I hope you're all enjoying the video. It is lovely to be at the seaside, and if I just turn around, some amazing views just all around really. It is beautiful. I see you behind me there, and a nice casual walk on the beach. We do have a cave over in this direction. I will be checking that out. So we're just gonna have a walk. I want to check out this little cave area just here. Hope no one's in there, but look at this. Now these are quite dangerous because if the tide comes in, oh, someone's lost a tennis ball. Some little poor dog's not happy. These are quite dangerous because if the tide comes in, you can get stranded in this. That's a bit depressing now, but so someone's been having a little bit of a barbecue. A couple of bottles. Those bottles are full. Someone's left a load of full bottles down here. So yes, that was a little exploration inside the cave area. I didn't take any of the beers, by the way, I left them. That's someone's little picnic for later. And when the weather picks up a little bit. So we're going to carry on walking. And you can go over to the island, just over there. I'm not sure what that building was used for. Did you say it was for like an aviary?
An ivory kind of thing, yeah.
Because at first I thought it was like a little mini prison.
St. Catherine's Island.
It's called St. Catherine's Island. But apparently it was like for birds and stuff, like an aviary. But it does look like a mini Alcatraz from what I see. And you can go there, there is steps leading up. And we're just going to chill around here for a bit before we descend up the steep incline of steps. Just come across this little ecosystem. A nice little crystal clear bit of water. Perfectly in the rock. Even got a little bit of, I don't know if it's sea moss or some kind of plant life growing there. Nice little ecosystem. Also I've got another one just down here as well. So we just climbed up some steps over there, and there is a little area where you can sit down, and this is the view. So we've walked all the way across the beach, and unfortunately we have got more rain incoming, so we're going to be heading back to the hotel soon. We've got a monument up there with a little bit of castle. There's also a few little cannons as well. Just wanted to show everyone just how green and turquoise the sea looks in the sun. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So just heading back, just come across this little passageway. So we've got museum and art gallery just there. The Borough of Tenby. June 24th, 1942. So we're now back where I first started the video. Well, where I first started the video was just behind me. But that is going to be all for today on Sunday. And I'll be back again tomorrow. Hope you all enjoyed the little walk. It's been very picturesque. I'll see you all on the next one. Take care.